Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can make a responsive design inside of Figma. Now the first thing that I think you must do is to leave margins, okay? Now margins are these little spaces between, the end of an element, such as this navbar here, and the end of the frame, okay? Now I actually recommend that you keep around 5% of the total space of the frame, both horizontally and vertically, okay, as margins, all right? So this is what you always want to make sure. Now, other thing that you must do also is to enable auto layout. Okay, and how are you going to do this is by going into our, into each of our layers. For example, let's go to this one here or this one here, and you want to click on this button here. You want to go to design, layout, and you want to basically use auto layout. Okay, and this is going to turn blue now. Okay, and you want to do this for all of your layers. All right, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys.